So guys, I got to the place, so they didn't allow us to go inside. They block everywhere because it's a sad news. It's not a joke, so I'm close to the place. But this is what I can do. The fire get burned over there, so they didn't allow us to come closer. All right. So this is the view. So guys, this is the place. It's over there that got fire, but they didn't allow us to go inside. So because they are very sad, because it's sad news. Imagine somebody bought a yacht and put it in a safety place, 4 o'clock in the night, and the thing got fire. So it's a very, very sad news. So I don't have any other choice than to come to this place to make my video. Alright guys, share to others. Tell me what you think. Oh, who do you think it will pay now? The security, the owner, or the government?